Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So back in January of this year, I posted a video that you could try a trick in Edge to search in two search engines at the same time, which was revealed by Microsoft and was a nice little quick, simple multitasking little tweak you could use in the Edge browser. And I'll leave that video down below if you would be interested. Now, just to let you know that it seems that now in Edge Canary 1.23, which is the latest preview version, that Microsoft is taking this to the next level, where they are now testing two search boxes. So we've got the main address bar, and we've now got a secondary or second search box and address bar and search bar. Now, this is very similar to what we get over in Firefox and Vivaldi, just to mention two examples. So obviously Microsoft now experimenting with this in Edge Canary. Now, it's still early days, and this is not a default feature. It's hidden behind a command line flag, which is this command line flag. And that's quite a mouthful. So I'll leave this command line flag down below for you to copy and paste if you would like to try this new feature out in Edge Canary 1.23. Now, if you don't know how to enable a command line flag, I'm not going to get into that too much in this video. I did post a whole video using a command line flag yesterday. So if you want a kind of tutorial on how to enable a command line flag, just do a search accordingly on the channel. Now, here you can see that also this will be quite a handy multitasking feature, because as an example, in the so-called secondary search box that is now being tested, you could do a search as an example for Windows 11, and then obviously it'll do the search accordingly for Windows 11, and then in the main address bar or search, you could do a search for Windows 10, and you could run those alongside and in conjunction with each other. So maybe quite beneficial as a multitasking feature, where you can do two different searches at the same time in two tabs using the address bar and the new or secondary search box. Now, as you noticed there, and if you didn't, when I click on this little secondary search bar, as an example, let's type in Edge, you can see it says Manage Search Box. So if I click on that, it takes me directly over to the appearance page in the settings, and here we get some additional settings that are available. So once you've enabled the command line flag, the additional search box in the toolbar will be available by default, but you will have the option to not to show the additional search box in the toolbar. So if you toggle that off, you can see now we just have the kind of default address bar and search. And if I toggle that back on, you can see now we have our additional or secondary search box in the toolbar. So if you are into multitasking and maybe are familiar with Vivaldi or Firefox, and you've come over to Edge, this may be a nice move in the right direction. And as yet, it's still very early days. This is by far yet available in the stable version. As mentioned, it's hidden behind a command line flag. So there's still a little bit of work to do on this. And if this will ever get to stable is anyone's guess, but nonetheless, and a nice multitasking feature, but obviously it does bring a little bit more clutter into the top of the browser and the toolbar and the address bars. But thankfully, as mentioned, if we head back to our settings, we will have the option, if we head over to our appearance page, to be able to turn this feature off by just toggling on the appearance page, don't show additional search box in the toolbar, and obviously you can toggle that back on. But like all these new features, I'm going to keep a close eye on this one. And if anything does change, obviously, I'll keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.